Form factors. When we use the term form factor, we're talking about the physical structure of the servo drive, usually the size and the shape or whether it includes a cover or not. For advanced motion controls, we make our distinctions around how the servo drive is mounted and how the interface is connected. Why do we have different form factors? It all comes down to what's best for the application. You can have two servo drives with the same capabilities, but depending on their form factor, they can be better suited for different applications. We offer several different form factors at Advanced Motion Controls. PCB Mount is our most integrated form factor. With this style, you design your PCB to accept the servo drive directly on the board. To get the full advantage of this form factor, you would design the PCB board in such a way as to be laid out in the shape that you need, and if necessary, include multiple axes on one board. Further advantages can be achieved by designing easy connection to the motor and feedback cables, as well as tying together the network comms, especially if there are multiple axes. Traces and connectivity for I/O should also be included. Think of the PCB mount form factor as an easy way to do your own custom, but you don't need to design the servo drives. You just need to integrate them. The advantage is the tightest integration with extremely reliable connectivity since cables are replaced with traces. Disadvantage, it's an open design, so not as protected, and you need to really plan out the layout and connectivity since it's more of a commitment to spin a dedicated board. Machine embedded is similar to the PCB mount style, but with an interface board attached. This allows for more traditional connections like cables with connectors. Advantage, it's more standalone. Disadvantage, it's still an open design. Panel mount, this is the traditional servo drive in a rectangular case. They're larger than the embedded style of drives, but they have bigger connectors and sturdier mounting options. Advantage, they're well protected with a metal or plastic cover, larger connectors with easier access. Disadvantage, these may be harder to place due to their size. They're also heavier. Vehicle mount, designed with electric vehicle requirements in mind, although they're still servo drives, so there's no sacrifice in performance. They use automotive style connectors for signals and large lugs for power. So the advantage, it's the most protected design. It's a heavy duty build. Disadvantage, it may be too bulky.